Today, I'll be giving you a more in-depth look at what each of the general permissions in MeetMo does. Let's start with the General Permissions table, which is divided into 4 columns of actions and 3 rows representing what is affected. Starting with the columns. The first column is View, which allows members to only visualize the backend and settings of each selected item. They can see the settings, but they can't make any changes. Next is Add. Members with this permission can assist directors and producers by creating parts of the workflow. This is great for when you need extra hands to help set up. The Edit column is complementary to Add. It allows members to return to something they've added and modify its settings for further use and customization. Lastly, there's Delete. This permission allows members to erase specific workflows, removing them from everyone's access in their teams. Now, let's move on to the rows, which represent what you can give or remove access to under the actions of View, Add, Edit, and Delete. Teams. Permissions related to the creation, management, and deletion of teams. Spaces. Access. Control over who can access or manage spaces within the platform. Permissions. Managing who can view, add, edit, or delete permissions. It's important to note that a member with edit permissions access can potentially grant themselves all other permissions, so this should be assigned with caution. Below the main general permissions, there are a few more specific ones. AI chat. Since AI can consume significant resources and might distract from core tasks, it's crucial that team leaders control who has access to this feature. Limiting access helps keep the team focused and manages resource allocation. Billing view and history. This permission is for members involved in accounting or production, allowing them to view spending and its history. Subscription view and update. This permission allows members to see the type of subscription the production is using, with the ability to upgrade, downgrade, or request additional resources as needed. This concludes our overview of general permissions. In the next video, we'll dive into space permissions and explore how they work. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.